at those leaves. Oh, that's a pretty big candy.
What else do you see out there, buddy? You okay?
Holy moly.
Holy moly, what?
Holy moly.
Do you love the
Look at
snow?
those-
Are the leaves under the snow? This is our first snow this year, huh?
They're hiding.
Hiding under the leaves.
Mom,
You want what, buddy? What are you getting? What are you doing?
okay. Baby's house.
Yeah, what do you see?
Snow.
Are you excited to see snow?
It's on this
On the what?
Christmas tree.
Yeah. Do you love winter?
It's back there. Holy boy. Honey sunshine.
Can you ask nicely? May I what?
Please.
Where are they?